transferring solvents from drums to storage tanks using an air-operated double diaphragm (AODD). Transferring solvents from drums to storage tanks using an air-operated double diaphragm (AODD) pump requires strict adherence to safety guidelines to prevent accidents, spills, and ensure the well-being of personnel. Here are safety instructions for this operation. Training and certification. Ensure that operators are trained and certified to use AODD pumps for solvent transfer. Training should cover the equipment operation, emergency procedures, and the characteristics of the specific solvents being handled. Personal protective equipment (PPE). Provide and mandate the use of appropriate PPE, including chemical-resistant gloves, safety goggles, face shields, and flame-resistant clothing. Ensure that operators are equipped with the necessary respiratory protection if required. Hazardous material information. Familiarize operators with the properties and hazards of the solvents being transferred. Consult material safety data sheets (MSDS) for each solvent to understand potential risks and proper handling procedures. Static electricity control. Implement measures to control static electricity, as solvents can be flammable. Use conductive hoses, bonding and grounding systems, and ensure that the transfer equipment is properly grounded to prevent sparks. AODD pump inspection. Conduct a pre-operation inspection of the AODD pump. Check for any signs of wear, damage, or leaks. Ensure that the diaphragms, valves, and seals are in good condition. Proper pump selection. Ensure that the AODD pump is suitable for the specific solvent being transferred. Different solvents may have varying compatibility requirements, and the pump should be constructed with materials that can withstand the solvent's properties. Ventilation. Transfer solvents in a well-ventilated area or use local exhaust ventilation to minimize exposure to vapors. If possible, conduct the transfer in an enclosed area with proper ventilation controls. Emergency shutdown procedures. Establish and communicate emergency shutdown procedures. Operators should know how to quickly and safely stop the pump in case of leaks, malfunctions, or other emergencies. Leak detection and response. Install a reliable leak detection system to identify leaks promptly. Have response kits with absorbents and neutralizing agents available to contain and clean up spills. Spill containment measures. Use spill containment devices, such as secondary containment trays or barriers, to prevent spills from spreading. Designate a specific area for drum transfer operations equipped with spill control measures. Continuous monitoring. Continuously monitor the solvent transfer process, especially during the initial stages, to identify and address any issues promptly. Isolation of equipment. Implement isolation procedures to ensure that the AODD pump is securely shut down and isolated during maintenance or emergencies. Follow lockout-tagout procedures to prevent accidental startup. Fire safety measures. Have fire extinguishers and other firefighting equipment nearby, especially in areas where flammable solvents are being transferred. Conduct regular fire drills to ensure personnel are familiar with emergency response procedures. Grounding and bonding. Ensure proper grounding and bonding of all equipment to prevent static electricity buildup. Use conductive hoses and maintain good electrical connections. Record keeping. Keep detailed records of solvent transfer operations, including quantities transferred, dates, and any incidents. This information can be useful for audits and process improvement. By following these safety instructions, you can help ensure the safe transfer of solvents from drums to storage tanks using an AODD pump. Always refer to manufacturer guidelines, industry standards, and local regulations for specific safety requirements.
This is all about today's topic. Thanks for watching Funny EHS Info. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get immediate notification of our videos. Share our videos to your friends and colleagues to create safety awareness. If you have any questions and requirements, please comment in comment box.